Parking can spread fear into even the most experienced driver, so it's no surprise that sometimes people end up parking in places that they shouldn't. This might include blocking driveways, and in this video, the Windscreen Company will take a look at the do's and don'ts of parking. Most driveways come with dropped curbs to provide drivers with easy access. If you block someone's driveway by parking on or in front of a dropped curb, you're actually committing a driving offence. Anyone parking on a dropped curb is breaking the law. The local council has the power to hand out penalty charge notices, but the police are unlikely to intervene unless you're being blocked in. You can try 3 steps if someone has blocked your driveway. First, try and contact the owner and politely ask them to move their car. If you don't know who the vehicle belongs to, writing a polite note and attaching it to their windscreen might be the way to go. If none of this works, contact the council, who should be able to issue a penalty charge notice to the offending vehicle if it's parked on a dropped curb. It's rare that people will be so bold as to park on your private driveway, and usually, this only happens if there is some kind of dispute with a neighbour regarding ownership. However, parking on someone's driveway without permission is a civil offence, as it counts as trespassing. It's not technically a criminal offence though, meaning the police are unlikely to get involved. The best thing to do is to remain civil and try to resolve the situation in a reasonable and respectful manner. If it becomes a persistent issue, you can apply to your local council to have a retractable bollard installed. It's not uncommon to see cars parked on the pavement, but this is also a driving offence. The Highway Code states that drivers should only park on pavements if specific signs allow it, as this can obstruct and seriously inconvenience pedestrians, including people in wheelchairs, the visually impaired and those with pushchairs. We can't move cars from your driveway, but if your windscreen needs repairing or replacing, don't hesitate to give the Windscreen Company a call. We've helped drivers across the West Midlands and South East for more than 25 years.